The Four Sons. There lived an old man in a village. He had 4 sons. In spite of all his efforts, the old man could not make his sons earn for their living. In addition, they were always fighting among themselves. The old man thought of a plan. He called his sons and said, "Look, my dear sons, in the barren land we have at the farmyard, there is a hidden treasure. If you should work together, you may find it." In a wish to find the treasure, the 4 sons worked hard by digging and digging all through the land. They got frustrated and returned to their father. "There is no treasure in the land," they complained to their father. "Now that you have softened the land, why should not you cultivate it?" was the reply of their father to their query. Off went the sons. Soon the whole barren land was rich crops. "This is the real treasure, my sons," said the now proud father. Hard work always is fruitful. The quarrelling sons then on lived in harmony and became rich soon.